Now, in this tutorial, we're going to look at processing the sound. So first, I want to create a sound file. So this is what I'm going to call it. I'll just call it editing, and this is where it's going to be saved. And then I click on the Export tab, and it will produce the sound. So if I go to my temporary folder, it's here, editing wave. So I can then fire up Adobe Audition, File, Open, Editing, and play it back. So this is the sound as recorded. So what I want to do to this is to normalize the sound. So I click there. Don't normalize to 100, normalize to about 90. And that gives a much more even sound pressure level on all of the clips that you've actually put together. And if, for example, you've got some background noise, you can create an area of there, noise reduction, so that will capture the noise process. Select the whole lot, effects, noise reduction, and then adjust the parameters to what you actually want it to do. Click on apply, and then it will process the whole of the audio to remove the background noise. If you have any pips or clicks that you actually want to remove, so you can do that, effect, and there we go. So all I've done there is file and insert silence. So I haven't changed the duration of the clip. All I have done is edit out the particular pip or clip. So I keep my sync. I've just removed a little pop or a pop that I happen to make. I can then file, save as, editing, so it's normalized, and then click on OK. So I can then minimize that and then go into here and then file, import, normalized, and then I can then place that on the timeline, remove or hide the two clips of audio commentary, and then use held at Horton Towers twice a year. The classic vehicle and motorcycle event is well worth visiting. It's a great event for nostalgia, to have a look at the old vehicles and motorcycles, to relive your youth. Now, the sound that you hear is not the optimum. I've just used the recording capabilities on the PC to capture the sound, and so I'm not using a very good microphone, so please make allowances for that. It is just purely for demonstrating to you good viewers. So hope you enjoy this particular short tutorial.